What's the meaning of concertina? Concertina. Concertina.
Concertina. Concertina. Concertina is a musical instrument that belongs to the family of free-reed aerophones. It has a small, rectangular shape and is played by compressing or expanding the bellows while pressing the buttons on both sides of the instrument. The concertina has a high-pitched, robust sound quality and is commonly used in folk, traditional, and classical music styles. Its versatility and portability make it a popular choice for players of all levels and genres. Overall, the concertina is a unique and distinctive instrument that adds a charming and nostalgic touch to any musical arrangement.